Alright, what's up everyone? It's Derek Deadlist coming back at you with another video. I'm going to do another Bitcoin update video on what the price is right now, how my returns are doing. I bought my $40 for the month of April. So let's go with what we're up. We're up over 2 grand. We're up 69%. Bitcoin trading price is looking at 78,000. I had to increase my order, my custom buys, because one of them I think did not fill. One of them had expired. A buy at $70,500. The price has been keep going up. I'm continuing to buy. I'm continuing to accumulate. As you guys know, at the beginning I was thinking about using the Bitcoin money at some point for a very important purchase, but you know, I decided not to, and the total amount of Bitcoin that I have is $4,444.49. So almost all fours, which is kind of crazy that I'm making this video, and fours isn't even my lucky number, guys. If you guys don't know, I have a little sign. I might have talked about this one time in a video. I have a sign for 12 because I'm a big believer in like luck, and apparently the number 12 is supposed to give you good luck. I mean, Tom Brady's number 12, so I think that speaks for itself. I'm continuing on the fitness journey, guys. Training for health, guys. No longer doing the powerlifting. It's kind of a little bit discouraging in a way to make those videos because I knew what I could do at one point as far as the list goes, and my injuries have accumulated both inside and outside of the gym. So I'm still trying to hit my 3 to 4 workouts a week and maintain a healthy weight, and just kind of get happiness through doing other things in fitness than the powerlifting. So now it's more so training for a little bit of calisthenics. I'm going to try to do some more some calisthenic workouts here and there with push-ups and pull-ups, calf raises, body weight squats, a lot more things that are lower impact, I guess. Still doing my bench presses. My shoulders are nice and healthy still. Thank God for that. The only pain I really get is in my lower back and for the most part. And when I do a hard leg day, my legs get sore, but I don't really do too much leg workouts like I used to. I used to train legs back in my peak of powerlifting, guys. I was doing like 1 to 2 deadlift sessions a week, 2 squat sessions a week, and then like 2 to 3 bench sessions a week, and it was crazy. It was a lot of fun. I was able to achieve literally all my goals except for the 315 bench press, which one day I might actually try to chase. It's in the back of my head all the time of, do I want to actually put myself through a crazy training protocol to get a 315 pound bench, or do I want to just chill and just live life as well, because I know how much work it would probably take to get the 315 bench. I know I could do it. The question is, how long would it take? And what would I have to do to get there? I'm not really sure if I want to do that. And as you guys know, if you guys have been out following my YouTube channel for a while, there was a time where I attempted to walk across the whole state of Rhode Island. I don't think I ever posted a video of me and my friend doing it. I still have the footage on my old phone, and I think one of these days I'm gonna edit it out and try to post what we made, because it was a cool thing to do. We started at Scarborough Beach and we made it all the way to Warwick when we called his wife to grab us, and yeah, it was just great to be able to make it that far, because halfway through the state is a good 10. I mean, we probably walked a good 15 miles that day. I remember looking at Sweatcoin on my phone, and I was over 100. Like, it stopped counting my steps. That's how many steps we walked that day. It was a cool experience. We got like a breakfast or a lunch at one point, and we had like Newport Creamery, which people may or may not know that what Newport Creamery is, because I'm not sure if they exist on the West Coast or if that's just a New England thing. But we had a nice Awful, which is a milkshake basically. And then after that, we were just so beat from the walk that we called it quits, because we weren't going to make it back to his house until like late. I do think we could have done it. We would have been even more sore than what we were. We definitely trained pretty well. I mean, I know I trained pretty well for it. I think he did too. I know he was able to keep up with me through the whole thing. So it was a cool experience just to make it as far as we made it. Next time I hang out with him, we might talk about maybe planning to do it again. Who knows? I know he's been doing a lot of like 5K stuff here. I think he did like a 5K race shortly after that. So that's cool. But what else is going on as far as life? I'd say that's the only thing I really want to talk about in this video. Just a little quick Bitcoin update of investing. As you guys know, before you know it, May will be around the corner. Who knows when the next time I will make a video will be. But I do want to make a cool video coming up. I want to get back into doing more review videos, especially since I made 2 purchases recently that are things that would be cool in my opinion to do a review on. One of them being an electric bike that I just purchased. I purchased a Falcon 79 bike, and there's been a bunch of people who've already made videos on the bike, but I figured I'll add myself to being one of the people on the list. It's really cool. I like it. It gets me to and from work. Don't have to rely on the bus anymore. So for the warmer months, it's not a bad thing to have. Unfortunately, we get a lot of snow here, so I'll be taking the bus once we get that cold weather again. But for now, it's gonna help me get to and from work quicker and more efficiently. So I'm gonna do a review on just the overall. I'm gonna actually wait probably until like the end of May to do a full review on the bike. So that way, I mean, I've already probably rode, I don't know, maybe 20 or so miles. I like to put like 100 and something miles on it before I give like a complete review on the bike. I'm still learning the app. I think there was also, like, supposedly there's like a tracker on the bike, but I think that might have only been with the higher end version of it, because there's a GT and a Pro. I believe I bought the GT. The Pro is goes a little faster, and you can kind of like make your choice on which one you want for the 79 bike or any other bike. Obviously there's like hundreds of them out there now, but I'd say this is a good place to conclude the video. I like to keep my videos 5 to 10 minutes to keep you guys engaged. I'm also going to be continuing to put out the gardening videos, so guys, if you like any of the content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.